Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 19 SPX Sea Ray. Up front you can see you have ample seating with a filler cushion, your anchor lockers up front. In this boat we put sea deck material throughout the cockpit. You can see you have a upgraded stereo system with subwoofer. You also have storage to the port side. Looking aft, you have a digital dash here for your easy operation. Digital throttle and shift. You have two bucket seats here that are 360-degree rotation. You have a nice big bimini top right here. And then looking aft, you have plenty of aft seating. You have a bench seat here, access to your engine room here with a big sun pad, and a very large rear swim platform with fold down bracket. And again, this is Brad, MarineMax Lake Norman. Come see us.